Hello, my name is Carl Pauline and I've got some very exciting news for you today. My From Disorganized to Productivity Mastery in 3 Days online course has just been updated for 2019. And in addition to being a course that's going to take anybody who's new to productivity from disorganized to becoming a productivity mastery in just 3 days, this course now has an additional day, day 4, which is called Day 4 and Beyond. And what this part of the course is designed to do is to help you to be able to maintain your system from the day you start to forever. Because really what I want to do is to help people to stop being stressed and overwhelmed and just overworked. What I want to do is to help you to have some structure in your life so that you can focus in on the things that are truly important to you, not what is important to other people. And that's my core belief, is that once you have control of your time, once you know where all your stuff is and you know how to find that stuff like that, that's when your life starts becoming less stressful, more organized, and you become more productive, which ultimately gives you more time to spend on the things that you want to do. Things like spending time with your family, your friends, going on trips, enjoying nature. You know, whatever it is that you want to do, you will have the time to do it. And that's what this course is all about. It's designed to take you from wherever you are today to having a lot more control of your time and being more productive. So I hope you have a look at this course. The details are in the show notes below, and hopefully I would love to see you enrolled in the course. There is an early bird discount in the first week, so if you're watching this video in the first week of this course being launched, you can take advantage of the early bird discount. If not, the course is still tremendous value and you'll be able to get a lot of knowledge from this course. Thank you very much for watching this video, and it just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week.